Today I wanted to give a moment to give special thanks to just a few of the viewers who have sent some very generous donations to the channel. And while I appreciate every single viewer out there, everybody that supports the channel by watching, these particular viewers went a little above and beyond. And the first one I would like to mention goes by the username of Cypherian here on YouTube. And if I'm not mistaken, I believe he sent some goodies in the past. So thanks for that, and thanks for the very generous monetary donation that you just made. I really appreciate that. It does help keep the videos rolling, and it does help cover the expenses. Now, the other people I would like to mention sent some physical things in the mail, and this is one that I went ahead and opened the boxes instead of doing an opening video and showing me tearing into the boxes. I actually opened these yesterday because I was kind of curious of what they were. And the first one comes from Heritage Leather Goods. And I've dealt with Heritage Leather before, and this may be a little bit less video related and a little bit more personal interaction and business related. But he sent me this very nice notebook cover. It's a nice sewn leather, very stiff and rigid, so it'll keep its shape. Has places for pen and some notebooks and business cards and a nice notebook in here. And Heritage Leather does other things besides just notebook covers. In fact, I didn't even know he did notebook covers like this. But he does things like wallets and shop aprons, things like that. And I'll go ahead and put a link down in the video description if you're interested in checking it out, both to his website and to his Etsy shop. And you can go take a look if you're interested in seeing what Heritage Leather has to offer. But Isaac, thank you again for the notebook. It's wonderful. I'll start carrying this back and forth to the shop probably instead of this ratty paper one that the pages keep falling out of because it doesn't stay together very well. Now, the other viewer that sent something, and this was kind of part of a little challenge I threw out there. Somebody had seen me doing the mail call videos with my little tiny Gerber pocket knife that I usually carry, and it said, "You ought to have a hand-forged knife that you do this with." Well, that is really a good idea, and I couldn't agree more that a hand-forged knife would be way better than using the little pocket knife. It's just something I don't really have time to do, and I really don't specialize in making knives, so I wasn't going to do that. So I threw it out there that if anybody really didn't want to see me using the pocket knife in any of the mail opening videos anymore, they could actually mail me a knife. And one of the viewers actually did that. So Dominic at Grassland Forge has sent me a knife, and he's not the one that had actually made the comment about the knife. He's just one that thought it would be nice to send a knife. So he has sent this very interesting little knife with an oak handle. I think he said the blade was $10.95. I'll have to look at the note here in just a second. He even made a leather sheath for it and put it in this nice little cedar box. And I bet he even made the little decorative straps that go on the box. So we'll start doing our mail opening videos using this knife from Dominic at Grasslands Forge. Thank you very much. This will be treasured for years to come. Now, Dominic also sent a little monetary donation, which is going way above and beyond what I would have expected from somebody. And the amounts of these donations don't really matter. As we've all heard in the past, it's the thought that counts. It says, "My name is Dominic," and I'm not going to mention last names. "I am a 43-year-old self-taught blacksmith from East Moline, Illinois. I have been hooked on blacksmithing since my friend Joe introduced me to it a year and a half ago. I have since made my own shop and even done demonstrations successfully to help me improve. It was because of all the blacksmiths on YouTube out there that taught me what I needed to learn. However, you have inspired me and taught me the most, so I find it only fitting to thank you on my 1-year anniversary. Enclosed is some money for your channel and a knife for your challenge. The knife was made from 1075 steel, 1075, I think I might have mentioned 1095, with oak handles and brass pins." So thank you, Dominic. I really appreciate the knife. Appreciate the cash donation as well, but I'll appreciate the knife long after the cash has gone to fund new cameras or lights or whatever we end up using that for. It's always exciting for me to open the mail that folks send. Fan mail is really a thrill. About once a week or so, something comes in the mail, and I really appreciate each and every one of you who feels compelled to send something in the mail. It really isn't expected, it's not necessary, but it is a thrill every time somebody sends something. It's a lot of fun to open the stuff and see what you've sent. One of these days, I'm going to have to get a locker that just holds all the stuff people have sent, along with the notes, because I usually lose the notes, and that way I can always remember who sent what. But that's all I have right now. I hope you enjoyed the video and can give it a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, I would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Feel free to stick around, watch a few of the other videos, share the videos with your friends, but then by all means, make time in your day to get out to your shop, make something, but stay safe, wear your safety glasses. We'll see you for the next one.